Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to manage, how to turn on or off the grid lines on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app, let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got no grid lines. So in order to activate them, make sure that you're on the photo mode and then tap on the settings right here. Now we have to scroll down in order to find useful features section, and on the third position we've got grid lines, so let's tap on it, and from now on they are activated. We can go back to the camera and check, and as you can see, I hope you can see that the grid lines, the helper lines have been applied successfully and immediately. So actually, if you'd like to apply the rule of thirds or just make beautiful harmonious photos, then I hope that those helper lines, those grid lines will help you. Be aware that they are visible only on the camera. So after taking a photo, let me tap on the shutter button. After taking a photo and checking the preview, you cannot see them. So of course, this is why they are called helper lines, because they only help you to position your camera perfectly, but of course they won't appear at the actual photo. So as I said, this is how to turn on the grid lines. Of course, you can turn them off whenever you want. Just go back to the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the grid lines and tap on the switcher and make it look like it. Okay, let's go back to the camera. And as you can see, they immediately disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the grid lines in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.